Hello everyone, this is Max from Developer Websites, and today I want to show you how you can edit your navigation in the Shopify store. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, best way to say thank you, leave some donations with link in the description under this video. Okay, so we should go to the donations. Okay, obviously. Okay, so you should click to online store in your Shopify admin. If you don't see online store, click sales channels and here select online store. Now you should go to navigations and right here you can see all your navigations on your website. You can click on it and edit what you want. If you don't want to edit it and want to create new, click add menu and here write new title like new main menu. To add items, simply click add menu item here and write menu name, link name and select link, for example homepage. Click add, after that click save. That's all, so short and easy tutorial. If you have some questions, ask me in the comments and I will create tutorial for you. Thanks for watching and bye bye.